Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I am back with my Birthstone series for September. Yes, this month I'm going to be doing Sapphire. This is my sister's birthday month, and she had asked if she could pick out my design, and she wanted a blue sapphire marbly design. I don't have any inspiration picks for this. She showed me a few different things that she liked, so I'm going with a technique that I had been playing with on TikTok using a straw for marbling that is so much fun. So here's hoping that I can knock this out of the park for my sister, because when your sister requests a design, you oblige. That's just how it goes. So today I'm going to be using Revel's Bombshell as my main nail color, and then I'm going to be using some Modelones gel polish colors, different colors of blue, and ASP hot white gel polish. So I'm going to go ahead and put the blue down. I'm just going to do a couple dips on the two nails where I'm going to be doing marble design, just so we don't get too thick, and I'll be back once those are all dipped.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Okay, now I'm gonna apply a gel base coat to both of these. It'll help create a layer to secure the gel polishes to the nail so that they don't just peel off.
Forever free.
Okay, so I cured those for about 45 seconds. I mean, doesn't have to be a full 60-second cure for gel base. Now I'm going to be, because this nail is going to have the marble on the whole nail, so I'm going to be using a little bit of this liquid latex around the cuticle just in case it gets a little bit messy. I have only practiced this on swatches before. I haven't done this on an actual nail, so I'm not quite sure how messy it's going to get, so I'm just going to do this just in case.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so now I'm going to just kind of start randomly applying the gel polish in spots on the nail. I'm going to go ahead and open all of these. And I want the gel to go on there kind of thick so that it will move. This is kind of a fluid art style technique. Right, I'm just gonna get my little straw here. I'm just gonna start blowing the gel around. Okay, kind of do that until you think you pretty much like the look of it. And luckily, honestly, none of it even went over the cuticle, so I didn't even need this Mess No More stuff. I didn't need the liquid latex, but it's better to be prepared than end up with a huge mess. So I'm gonna cure this for about 30 seconds for now, just to kind of cure it in place, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of foils to it. Okay, I'm just gonna use my little water marbling tool here to pick up some foils. So I'm gonna be using some just some gold foils that I have over here, and just kind of placing them randomly on the nail. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in and cure it for another minute, just because the fluid art, the layer is, it's pretty thick layers of gel polish, so you want to make sure you cure it a little bit longer just to make sure that it cures all the way through. Okay, I actually cured that for less than 60 seconds just because we're going to be working with this nail too, so this one's going to get more UV time. So I'm going to go ahead and get the gel polishes onto this nail in the way that I wanted to do that. And then we'll play with it. So for this one, I'm just kind of going to put the polish along the edge here, and then we're going to blow it a little bit onto the nail. I only want to cover part of it, and then we'll do some foil work with it too. But okay, I'm gonna do just a quick dip of clear over each of these just to encapsulate, and so I can finish off with dip liquids, and then I'm going to activate and file and buff everything. I just want these to be nice and really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate and then file everything after I do these clear dips real fast. Okay, all that is left is to activate and top coat. Alright, and there we are with the finished Sapphire design. I had so much fun making these. This straw marbling technique is just unbelievably fun. I mean, it's a blast. So hopefully all of you enjoyed this. Hopefully my sister is going to love them, and happy birthday to all you September babies out there, and I'll see you next time.